AWE core, web services. Everything I will take care. Okay. Fine. Shall we get into the subject? Shall we get into the subject? Yeah. What is that? Course title. Yeah. Today we are going to discuss about course introduction, guys. What is the title of the course, guys? Spring Basics, Spring Boot and Microservice. Spring Boot and Microservice. Now listen, guys. Here we learn end-to-end. Here we learn end-to-end of Spring Boot and Microservice topics. Microservice topics. Okay. Yeah, note. This course is also called as, what is there? Spring Boot stack, guys. Spring Boot stack. That means everything of Spring and Spring Boot will be covered in this course. Is that clear, guys? Prerequisites. Core Java knowledge is required, guys. Core Java knowledge is definitely required. Okay. And a little bit of JDBC knowledge. Little bit of JDBC. Little bit of HTML. And little bit of SQL knowledge. SQL knowledge is required. But strong Core Java knowledge is required. When I say strong, guys, when I say strong Core Java knowledge, you must have OOPS concept in your brain. You must have, what is there? Collections topics in your brain. Multi-threading concepts in your brain. You must have good knowledge of exception handling, string handling, and Java 8 features, boss. Java 8 feature. If you don't have Java 8 features, no problem. Something I will cover and you can learn parallel. But on this topic, you should have a sound knowledge. Sir, I'm not so good in JDBC. No problem. Awareness is there now. You can understand what is JDBC driver software, right? So, sir, I know little bit of HTML, enough. I know little bit of what? SQL queries, no problem, not an issue. Okay, boss. Okay, to attend this course, Hibernate is not the prerequisite. To attend this course, web service is not the prerequisite. To attend this course, Spring is not the prerequisite. Because in this course, we also learn Spring. We get, yeah. Okay, boss. Next, guys, duration. 120 to 140 sessions. 140 sessions. Single slot, guys. Single slot, that is what? Okay. Initial 1 week, it will be 7:30 only. Later, your batch timings will be shifted to 7:15 a.m., right? 7:15 a.m. to, sorry, not a.m. 7:15 p.m. to 8:45 p.m. oblique 9 a.m. 9 p.m. Based on the topic, boss. If you want to attend everything in a single slot, you have to give me 120 to 140 sessions, guys. Okay. No, sir, I can, but I want to complete this course very fastly. Okay, by attending 2-3 sessions per day. 2-3 sessions per day. Okay. 80 to 90 sessions, boss. 80 to 90 sessions. 2 slots per day. Okay, 2 slots per day. What do you mean by 2 slots, guys? You have to attend 2 topics per day, guys. Yes, slot 1. Okay, 7:15 p.m. to 8:45 oblique 9 p.m. Slot 2. Okay, what is slot 2, guys? Either 7 a.m. slot or 5:30 p.m. slot. Whatever you want, you can choose, boss. Whatever you want, you can choose it. Course fee, guys. Course fee. 8,000 rupees. Yes. 2 slots per day means, okay, for first 1 month, you have to attend in slot 1 only. After that, I will call you for another slot, either 7 a.m. slot or 5:30 p.m. slot. So then onwards, you have to attend 2 slots per day. Then you will get 80 to 90 sessions. Is that clear? Sir, it's not mandatory everyone should opt to 2 slots, guys. Everything happens in single slot. First topic to last topic. That is 7:15 p.m. to 8:45 p.m. slot. Clear, guys? 8,000 INR. 8,000 INR. Okay. For outsiders. No, sir, I'm already Naresh IT student. Already I have joined in full stack course. Already I joined in full stack course. For me, what is the course fee? For me, what is the course fee? 5,500. 5,500 INR. For Naresh IT full stack Java students. Are you understanding my statement, guys? So right now, this slot is free. That's why batch is started here. You want batch in other slots? Total in 3 slots, I will take Spring Boot and microservices. That is 7 a.m. slot, 5:30 p.m. slot, and 7:15 p.m. slot. Right now, only this slot is free. Remaining 2 slots are busy. So that's why, as of now, in this slot only, this course will start. If you want in other slots, you have to wait for 2-3 months time. Easily 2-3 months time. Yeah, for Naresh IT full stack student, yes, 5,500 is the course fee. Sir, I'm a full stack Java student. In my course, already Spring is there. Why should I pay here? In your course, only Spring is there. Spring Boot and microservices is not part of your full stack program. It is not part of your full stack program. So that's the reason you have to do separate payment for this course. That is discounted price. That is 5,500. Clear, boss? Right, boss. So this is course fee, guys. Tell me. Right. Topics we learn in this course. Topics we learn in this course. Okay, this is a glance, boss. This is not complete course. This glance I am going to give. I will upload one PDF document and I will allow you people to choose some dynamic topics. So that will be there in the form of PDF document. Very soon I am going to upload. After the class, I will upload this. Right. Super. Those are looking for discounts as a old student. Okay, contact the admin. Okay. Admin will provide all the details for you. Right. Super. Let me give some details of admin for you people, guys. Some details of admin for you people. Yes, this is there. Faculty and admin details, boy dear. Faculty and admin details. Yeah. FB group name, Nataraj Java Arena. Nataraj Java Arena. FB means Facebook group URL. This is the URL, boss. I'll share with you. To collect the material, this is the URL for collecting material. So how to identify my material in the groups, sir? Your batch is having one group ID, boss. Batch ID. Batch ID is this. Your batch code is this, guys. NTSPBMS. Okay. Nataraj are Spring Boot and microservices. Okay. Spring Boot and microservices. What is there? 617 is the batch code. 617 is the batch code. Yeah. Let me clear. Immediately, you need not have Servlet JSP knowledge. Slowly you can do. You can do this course parallelly with what? Advanced Java. You can do this course parallelly with Oracle, parallelly with UI technologies course, parallelly with core Java. But you must have strong knowledge on these topics before you start this course. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Yes. Please respond in the chat box. Let me share these admin details and every details with you guys. NT617, right? Yeah, please communicate with admin through WhatsApp, boss. In case of emergency, you can call. In case of emergency, you can call. Only in case of emergency, you please call him. Reminding all the times, my humble request is try to communicate with him through WhatsApp. Right. Am I audible? Am I visible? Okay. Topics we learn in this course, guys. Yeah, first of all, tell me, core Java comes under language? Okay. Advanced Java topic, JDBC, Servlet, JSP, JND, all this comes under technologies. All these comes under technologies, right now, boss? Super. Right. I want everyone to listen class carefully. If you have any personal queries, your profile related queries, I will take them at the end of the session. Use your chat box only for current topic related queries. Is that clear, guys? Yeah. I want everyone to listen carefully. Tell me. Okay. Spring Boot, Struts, JSF. All this comes under frameworks. So that's why first what we are going to learn is, first topic that we are going to learn here is language versus technology versus framework. Because we are going to understand what is this. Okay, boss. Yeah, my dear latecomers, this is the course title. 1 minute. Small disturbance has come in the alignment. Let's take this content. Cut it. Yes. Say paste it. Super. For latecomers, I am repeating things for one time. This is the course title, boss. Spring Basic, Spring Boot, and Microservice. Here we learn end-to-end of Spring and Spring Boot. This course is also called as Spring and Spring Boot Stack. That means everything of Spring and Spring Boot we learn, right? Super. Tell me, what are the prerequisites? Strong core Java knowledge is required. Little bit of JDBC, little bit of HTML, little bit of SQL is enough. Okay, as of now, immediately you don't need Servlet JSP knowledge. You have a time to have them as prerequisite. Immediately not required. Okay, duration 120 to 140 sessions if you want everything in single slot. Single slot means current slot, guys. 80 to 90 sessions. Okay, if you can give 2 slots per day. Slot 1 is current slot. Slot 2 is either 7 a.m. or 5:30 p.m. Course fee 8,000 for everyone. If you are a Naresh IT full stack Java student, for you it is discounted price, that is 5,500. Okay. These are the faculty and admin details, boss. And let's see the topics what we are going to learn. Okay. Spring Basics, nothing but Spring Core module. Next, Spring Boot Core. So Spring Boot Core means fundamentals of Spring we learn, boss. Right, guys. Then what we going to learn? Okay, Spring Boot Data JPA. Array, this is related to database interaction. Spring Boot MVC. Spring Boot mailing. Yeah, we are going to learn all latest versions. Latest versions we are going to learn. Spring Boot mailing, boss. All right, here we learn how to send email messages. Okay. Email messages, right? Spring Boot MVC for websites development, guys. For website development. Are you understanding my statement? For website development. Okay. Next. Right, boss. Spring Boot REST. RESTful web services. No need of learning web services. I will take care of it. Okay. RESTful web services. Nothing but distributed application development. So I will give one word about web application and distributed application. Web application means browser to software application interaction. NareshIT.com, Flipkart.com, Amazon.in, all these are websites. From where we communicate with these websites, guys, browser, right? Okay. Right, guys. From where we interact with website, browser. But when it comes to distributed application, it is always application to application interaction. One software application will interact with another software application. For example, you take the way we do UPI payment. Here is my browser. Here is my Flipkart.com. Here is my PhonePe application. PhonePe, GPay, some applications, right, boss? Then it is linked with bank application, guys. Bank application, come on. Bank application. So that is nothing but what, guys? SBI application, ICICI application, ... Okay. ICICI application and ... Super, guys. Tell me, boss, in this example, browser talking to Flipkart.com comes under website. Is it called web application? If you want to develop such a web application in Spring or Spring Boot, what is the module we should use? MVC module, right? What is the module we should use, guys? MVC module. Are you understanding my statement? Yeah, tell me here, boss. Application to application interaction. Flipkart.com is one software application. PhonePe, GPay also one software application. Right now, boss? So here application to application interaction is happening. So can I call here PhonePe, GPay should be developed as distributed application now, boss? Come on, I want reply, my dear. Distributed application. Right, boss? Super. Now tell me, GPay will interact with bank application or not? Here also application to application interaction. So this is also called distributed application. This is also called distributed application. I want reply, boss. Browser to application interaction is website or web application. Super. Tell me next one. Application to application interaction. Distributed applications. Right now, boss? What are the examples for browser to this one? Latecomers, please. I want everyone to focus on it. Everyone focus on the current topic, boss. Super. Yeah, Flipkart.com, right? Flipkart.com, NareshIT.com. Okay, Amazon.in and etc. Super. Application to application interaction is distributed application, guys. Phone Pay application, GPay application, bank applications, and etc. are distributed applications. Everyone got it? What's the difference between this? To develop web application, what is the module we are having in Spring and Spring Boot? MVC. What is the module we are having to develop the distributed application? REST. Understood my statement, guys? Got it? On theme leaf. Okay. We learn theme leaf, guys. Next one. As part of this course, we'll learn theme leaf. Integration with tell me, Angular JS or React JS. Yeah, we have to see, because nowadays these are popular UI technologies. So we have to see how to integrate with what? Angular JS and React JS. Got it, my dear? Super, guys. Tell me. Spring AOP, Spring JDBC. Come on, guys. Okay. Spring JDBC, Spring Boot data, MongoDB. We are going to learn MongoDB also, guys. Spring Boot data, MongoDB. Next. Okay. Next, Spring Boot transaction management. Spring Boot transaction management. Okay, Spring Data JPA is there to have interaction with regular SQL database software like Oracle, MySQL kind of thing. Spring Boot data, MongoDB is there to have interaction with NoSQL database software. MongoDB, Cassandra, okay, Couchbase, all these are NoSQL database softwares, guys. NoSQL database software. Your data is having fixed structure, fixed attributes. Go for Oracle kind of SQL database software. Employee will always have maximum of 20 details. Employee will always have maximum of 20 details. That guarantee is there. Go for Oracle kind of database. Such guarantee is not there, guys. Sometimes employee will have 100 details. Sometimes employee will have 3 details. Sometimes employee will have 25 details. Sometimes employee will have 40 details. And there is no guarantee of content attributes, guys. Fixed attributes. Then go for NoSQL database software. Then go for NoSQL. No, MongoDB is popular NoSQL database software. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Come on. Super. Next, guys. Spring Boot Cloud, guys. This is nothing but microservices program. What programming? Here we study microservices programming. As part of this, we study API gateways, circuit breakers. Okay, circuit breakers. We also study Eureka server. Okay, Eureka server, which is also called R&D server, guys. Registry and deployment server. Okay. Registry and discovery server, R&D server. Okay, we also study config servers. Okay, guys. We also study config servers. Okay. Next, distributed tracing and logging, guys. Tracing and logging. ELK stack we study. ELK stack. ELK stack. Like this, so many topics are there to study and accept. And you don't believe, only on microservice programming, we are going to spend, 40 to 45 sessions and depth of these topics we are going to learn. Okay, yeah, before writing this and etc., here I say microservice design patterns, boss. Microservice design patterns also we are going. Okay, now versions, guys. What are the versions we are going to learn? Spring Boot 6.x version. Array, that X will change time to time. When it comes to Spring Boot, guys, Spring Boot 3.x. So latest version. Every 1 week this X will change. Don't worry about this. Whatever latest, we are going to take and use it. We are going to take and use it. Right, boss? Super, boss. Tell me next one. We study Spring Boot security, guys. We study Spring Boot OAuth. Open authentication. OAuth 2.0, 2.0. Next. We study Spring Boot Okta. This is also related to security. This is also related to security, right? Okay, guys. This is also related to security. So we study a lot of things related to security, guys. Next one. Spring Boot messaging. We study Spring Boot messaging. Right. We study Spring Boot messaging. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Super. Next, Spring Boot Kafka. Okay. Spring Boot Kafka. Spring Boot ActiveMQ. RabbitMQ. Right, boss? Okay. Super, guys. There are a lot of topics to learn, guys. Next one. Okay, Spring Boot actuators. Spring Boot actuators. Next, Spring Boot React to Spring Boot WebFlex. Right, guys. Right. Today, all these things looks like a Greek Latin terms, but we are going to learn one by one. We are going to learn one by one. Super, guys. Spring Boot WebFlex. This is nothing but reactive programming. Reactive programming. Today, just try to understand. Not what to take. All these are the topics that we are going to study, boss. Super. Next, design patterns. Design patterns. Next one. We are going to. Okay. For every 10-15 days, we are going to develop. For every 10-15 days, we are going to develop one mini project. Okay, we are going to do one mini project, guys. Super. Tell me. 5 to 6 mini projects, guys. While developing these mini projects, we apply real-time use cases. What is required in the real time? Those things, guys. We try to apply coding standards. We try to apply coding standards, guys. Next, we try to apply design patterns, best practices. Design patterns are nothing but best practices, right, boss? Okay. We are going to understand challenging problems and solutions. Challenging problems and solutions. Array, that's the reason I'm giving confidence. Once you attend this course, you can show 4 to 5 years gap as experience. That much knowledge I'm going to do. That much knowledge I'm going to give to you people. You'll be benefited as a fresher. You will be benefited as a person who want to show gap as experience. Or who are already having experience. Okay. All right, boss. If you are already having experience, this course knowledge will make you to get the better package. Will make you to get the better package. Understanding my statement? Super, guys. Right, boss. Latecomers, I'll spend few minutes with you. Okay. Okay. Listen. For latecomers, one last time, guys. Again, after this, at the end of this session, I will give, guys. Course title, Spring Basics, Spring Boot, and Microservices, boss. Here we learn end-to-end of Spring and Spring Boot, guys. This is the complete course related to Spring and Spring Boot. Prerequisite, strong core Java knowledge, little bit of JDBC, little bit of HTML, little bit of SQL, right? Okay. Wow. But in core Java, these topics knowledge is very, very important. Without them, don't start this course. Duration, 120 to 140 session, if everything you want to take in a single slot, right? Okay. Okay, 80 to 90 sessions, 2 slots per day, guys. So then it will be completed in this one. Tell me here. So weekly 6 or 7 sessions will be there. Initially 6 sessions, guys. Weekly 6 to 7 sessions will be there. Sunday also you'll be having sessions. Okay. On the common topics. Right now, boss? Super. Right. Okay. Whatever the fee you are getting, that is without recordings. If you are looking for recordings, generally we don't offer recordings. If you are looking for recording, okay, try to discuss with admin directly. So we don't offer recording. Why? Because we want people to attend live classes. I would like to conduct interactive sessions. I want you people to involve in the discussion. Now, if you are looking for recordings, talk to the admin. Right. So these are the faculty and admin details. Let me share the same details with you people also one more time. Okay. We don't sell recordings. But if you are having some constraints and you want to have recordings, talk to admin separately. Right, guys. These are the various topics that we learn, guys. These are the various topics that we learn. And a lot of miscellaneous topics. Dynamic topics given by students. See, guys, by understanding industry requirement, by analyzing industry needs, the way interviews are happening, the way openings are coming, I designed this course content. But still, I'm open to take topics from you to teach as for your demand. Dynamic topics given by students. Yes, na, boss? Okay. Super. These are the main topics, guys. So in this course, we are also going to learn 15 plus Java real-time tools. You take any course of mine, these 15 tools will come automatically. Okay, what kind of tools, boss? Log4j, SLF4j, Log4j, SLF4j, JUnit, Mockito, JUnit, Mockito, GitHub. Some people GitHub. Next, Maven, Gradle. Come on, guys. Okay, Agile Scrum, guys. Agile Scrum. What is Agile model of project development? These are the tools, guys. These are the tools. They are the main topics of the course. These are the tools. Okay. Tell me next one. Agile Scrum. Jira tool we are going to learn. Okay. Jenkins. Developer mode, not admin mode. Admin mode you want, DevOps course is there. Docker developer mode. Okay. Developer mode, guys. We are going to learn Postman tool. We are going to learn Swagger API. We are going to learn Swagger API. And etc. So we are going to learn a lot of tools here or not, guys? Come on, everyone. Lot of tools. These are the helping concepts that makes your life easy after joining in the company. Okay, you want more names? Debugging, Jacaco, come on, guys. These are code coverage, guys. Code coverage tools. Jacaco is the code coverage tool. SonarQube, code quality tool. SonarQube is for code quality. Okay, Jacaco is code coverage tool. SonarQube and etc. So many tools are there and we are going to learn these tools. Okay, these are supporting topics. Supporting tools in project development that happens with main language or technology. Main languages or technologies are okay. FinClient, all these are not tools, Ra Babu. FinClient is part of microservices. Technologies are frameworks. Everyone understanding my statement? Okay. Here, they come under here. FinClient and all this topic come under here. Their story is not over, guys. In this course, you will get 10 plus common topics. 10 plus common topics. Yeah, someone is saying that, sir, course duration is 120, 130. So tell me, boss, we are learning from 0%. And I'm giving confidence to show 4 to 5 years gap as experience. For that 120 to 130 sessions are required or not required? I want reply from you people. 120 to 130 sessions are really required or not required? Can you respond in the chat box, guys? Okay. Can you respond in the chat box, guys? Definitely required. Lamba KPI. Super. 10 plus common topics. What are those common topics? Super, guys. Resume preparation. Right. Resume preparation and interview tips, guys. Resume preparation and interview tips. That's the topic number 1. How to show gap as experience. How to show gap as experience. These are some common topics, boss. Right. Array, this course. How to show gap as experience. Do's and don'ts. Do's and don'ts after joining in the company. Array, initial days of company is very, very important or not? After joining in the company. Super. It's the do's and don'ts after joining in the company. Okay. Next. SDLC. Software Development Lifecycle. I'm going to explain Software Development Lifecycle. We're going to see. Next, project release process in real time. How projects will be released in the real time. Even that also will be discussed, guys. Even that also will be discussed. Okay, one small change is there. Okay, for this batch, along with the regular admin, one more admin they have given. I think his name is Shubham. +91 this. +91 this, guys. Let me update here. Mr. Shubham. +91 this. Again, I am sharing with you. Please save the second number also. Please save the second number also. Right. Okay. Yes. Please save the second. Okay, guys. Now here, deployments in cloud. Deployment in cloud. Which cloud we are going to use, guys? AWS. We'll see an example. Super, guys. Tell me, resume preparation and interview tips, how to show gap as experience, do's and don'ts after joining in the company, SDLC, project release process in real time. We are going to learn annotation basics of annotations, right, boss? Right, annotation basics. Okay, guys. How to gather projects, how to explain projects, Come on, guys. Okay. Knowing about IT industry, what kind of companies are there? IT industry, right? Knowing about IT industry, and like this, lot of topics are there in as part of common topics list. Yes, na boss, sir, when you will do all these things? Generally on weekends, common topics will happen, tools will happen, and weekdays, regular topics will happen. On weekdays, regular topics, on weekends, common topics and tools will happen. Understood, guys? Got the point, my dear? Is that clear? Okay, guys. Okay, some common queries, guys. Can I learn this course? Can I learn this course? Yeah, weekend sessions will be longer sessions. Can I learn this course? Can I learn this course along with advanced Java? Along with advanced Java parallelly. Answer, guys? Answer is yes. Answer is yes. Yes, you can do that. Yes, you can do that. Can I learn this course without Hibernate knowledge? Tell me, boss. Can I learn this course without Hibernate knowledge? What is your answer, my dear? Yes or no? Na? Answer is yes, guys. Without Hibernate knowledge. I will take care of Hibernate, boss. I will teach the basics of Hibernate. Then I will use Hibernate in my regular classes. Super, guys. Tell me. Kubernetes course is part of DevOps, boss. Jenkins and Docker also actually part of DevOps, but we are going to learn only developer part of. Right, guys. Advanced Java knowledge is required parallelly. Advanced Java knowledge is immediately not required. Parallelly, you can learn. But you cannot ignore advanced Java. At least fundamentals of Servlet, JSP, and JDBC is required. You cannot avoid. You cannot avoid. At least YouTube channel you try to gather fundamentals of servlets, fundamentals of JDBC, fundamentals of JSP. I hope you got it. Can I learn this course without web services knowledge? Without web services knowledge, right? Okay. Without web services knowledge. What is the answer? Yes, it's possible. Yes, it's possible, guys. Yes, it's possible. Tell me. How do you supply course materials? Course materials and classroom applications, reference documents. Reference documents, right, boss? Okay. Reference documents. Tell me, boss. Initially using Facebook groups. Initially using Facebook. Getting my point? What is the group name? Nataraj Java Arena. Initially using Facebook group, that is Nataraj Java Arena. Okay. Later, yeah, if you don't have Facebook, don't worry. Temporarily you create one account. Later you delete it. Later you delete it, guys. Later using Google Drive. Google Drive or Google Classroom or GitHub. And GitHub. For applications, we are going to use GitHub account also. GitHub account. Super, guys. Is it only online course? Is it only online course? Yes, boss. Is it only online course? Yes. Okay, boss. Yeah, listen, guys. I'm a consultant to two software companies. I have my own startup and I'm planning to launch one more startup. So I have a lot of other works to take care apart from sharing knowledge with you people by conducting classes. So that's the reason. I will be traveling a lot. I will be moving to that place and this place. So that's why, as of now, I can conduct these classes only as the online classes. In future, I don't know, boss. But as of now, maybe next 6 months to 1 year, I can conduct these classes only as the online classes. Online, offline, it's all depends upon your focus, boss. Okay. Super, guys. Yeah, if you don't have GitHub account, Google Drive account, no problem. We will see how to create also. Not an issue. Right. It's all about focus. So that's why I give some suggestions, boss. Okay. I'll give some suggestions. While listening the class, don't lay on the bed and listen the class. Number 1. Number 2, while listening the class, sit in the chair, try to keep your spinal cord in 90 degrees angle. 90 degrees angle. Are you understanding my statement? Next, if possible, try to attend the classes from laptop. Stop using mobiles. Stop using mobile. When class is going on, keep the mobile completely in silent mode. And try to be more active in the chat box. Either you ask the queries or respond to my queries. Respond to my queries. So then it is equal to attending offline class. Then it is equal to attending offline class. Are you understanding my statement? So from your side, focus is there. Online, offline does not matter. You should active. You should be active. That's it. Super. Okay, guys. Now tell me, how can we get assistance during practicals? During practicals. Answer was, okay, students can mail me or can post errors in the groups, maybe Facebook group, WhatsApp group, Telegram groups, or okay, lab team support. Lab team support will be there. Right now, boss? Lab team support will be there. And online lab setup is there. Online lab setup we are getting, boss. I hope you are understanding. I'll take all your personal queries at the end of the session. Till that time, please be patient. Sir, I want to show that much gap, this much gap. This is my education profile. I'll take all your queries at the end of the sessions. Okay. Officially, we don't provide recordings, boss. That course fee is without recordings. If you are looking with recordings, contact the admin. Contact the admin. Okay. Admin can give better offer. So officially, we don't sell the recordings. So online lab setup is there, guys. Okay. You and my lab coordinator both will be online. So you will be working parallelly and he will get access to your screen. He will get access to your screen. Are you understanding my statement? And he will solve the problem. He will solve the problem. Okay, boss. Okay. Yeah. Some feedback from the student. Everyone, please look at the chat box. Hi, sir. Kiran here. I know the potentiality of your teaching. One of my friend had suggested while he was attending live classes. I was truly attention the way you are delivering the content with a crystal clear point. We need more teachers, gurus like you. That's why I'm thrilled to join this course. Freshers, okay. He is king, he is an OG. I don't know. Thank you, Kiran, for liking my work. And say congratulations to your friend who has got success after taking training from. Right, boss. Okay, shall we get into the more queries that you are going to have? These are the common queries that you are going to have, guys. Who needs this course? Who needs this course? Right, guys. Who needs this course? Yeah. Tell me, guys. Yeah. Right now, what is the slogan, you know? No spring, no job in Java. Fresher are experienced. Fresher are experienced. Definitely, spring knowledge is required. Spring Boot not there, you can manage in some companies. But Spring not there, you cannot manage. You cannot manage. Right, boss? Right, boss. Okay. Java fresher needs. Java fresher needs. What topics, guys? Core Java is required. Advanced Java is required. Come on. Oracle knowledge is required. Spring knowledge is. Oracle knowledge, Spring knowledge. And HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. These are required for freshers course. Okay. Java experienced boss. 1 plus 2 plus. 1 plus 2 plus, they will treat same rabab. For 1 plus 2 plus, they will treat. Java fresher topics plus. Java freshers topics plus. Spring Boot is required. Spring Boot knowledge is required, guys. Spring Boot knowledge is required. Spring Boot knowledge is required. They expect Hibernate knowledge from you people, and lot of Java real-time tools knowledge and Java real-time tool knowledge is required. Yes, guys. Java experienced 1 plus 2, sorry, 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus. With this knowledge, you can show only 3 years, 4 years, 5 years of experience. Because once you are 6 plus, they expect some management knowledge also. They expect some project management knowledge also. Okay, what we are learning is purely development knowledge. So I'm not teaching any management knowledge, boss. Is that clear, boss? Okay. Sir, I am 8 years, 9 years experience, but still I am there as a software engineer working on legacy technologies. Then you learn this course, we can get a better jump. You can get a better jump with a better hike, boss. No doubt in that. Yes. Java 1 plus 2 plus topics plus. Topics plus. Tell me, guys. Okay. Microservice knowledge is required. Okay. Web services knowledge is required. Web services knowledge is required. Hibernate is already written there. Hibernate is already written there. Super. Yeah. This course is for everyone, boss. And moreover, some people ask me one question. As a fresher, why should I learn these many things? Not required, na sir. Before joining company, you are a fresher. After joining the company, along with other developer, you also get the task. If this task is having Spring Boot and microservice topic, you will say, I don't know. How many days you can say like this? 3 months, 6 months. After that, you should start accepting the task of every category. If you learn this course now, your survival of the job becomes easy after joining in the company or not. Before you join in the company, you are fresher. Once you join in the company, if you are there in the team, like others, you have to take the task and you have to complete the task. Right now, boss? Okay. Are you understanding my statement? Okay. So that's why this course will give benefit to freshers and experienced both. Freshers and experienced and both. Right, boss? Okay. What about the placement assistant? Assistance. Okay. From Naresh IT. I think this is another query that you are having now, boss. Yeah. If you have a personal queries, I will take at the end of the session. Please listen the topics, what I am presenting first. Okay. Mr. Shivam Kalaskar, I will take your query at the end of the session. Tushar Agrawal, I will answer your query at the end of the session. Please be focused here. Listen, guys. 400 plus companies are having MOU with Naresh IT. Memorandum of Understanding with Naresh IT, boss. 400 plus Naresh IT. We have a division for Naresh IT, boss, that is NACR. NACR, a division of Naresh IT. Naresh IT. So they continuously come and conduct the interviews in our campus. But nowadays, we are also entertaining online interviews, online recruitment process. Because after Corona, everything is changed. You know that. Okay, this is one thing, guys. There's one more thing that we are having, boss. That is every 3 months, the Naresh IT conducts screening test. If you clear the test, guys, if you clear the test, placement will be taken care by. will be taken care by Naresh IT for freshers. Experienced people, you have to try outside. Anyhow, market is always good for experienced people. You know that, right? For experienced people, market is always good in Java, boss. For freshers, sometimes dry market will be there. That's why target this screening test, boss. Target this screening test. If you clear screening test, entire placement process will be taken care by Naresh IT. Are you understanding my statement, guys? For everyone, it is for full stack, for job guarantee. So everything related to the screening test, guys. Everything is related to screening test. Right, boss. Tell me, boss. Next, what is the difference between Java developer and Java full stack developer? What is the difference between Java developer and Java full stack developer? Everyone? Everyone? Can you reply? Can you reply? In a single line, can you answer that one? In a single line, can you answer that? In single line, can you explain that? Java developer means is like either only batsman or only bowler. He can do either batting or bowling. Too good in batting, too bad in bowling, or don't know bowling. But full stack developer is like all-rounder, boss. He can bowl, he can bat, he can field. If needed, he can keep the wickets. And sometimes he will do captaincy. Ravindra Jadeja fall under. Ravindra Jadeja fall under Java developer or full stack developer? Full stack developer, all-rounder, right? Rohit Sharma, Java developer. Okay. Kohli, Java developer only. They know little bit bowling, but that is not considerable. That is not at all considerable. Understanding my statement, guys? Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. What is the difference between Java developer and Java full stack developer, right? The Java developer will do only Java coding. Java coding of the project in the project development. Whereas the full stack developer, Java developer can take care of all the coding units of project development. All the coding units of project development. Project development and deployment. Deployment installation, boss. Deployment means installation part also they can take care. Okay. Java developer is like batsman or bowler, guys. Java full stack developer is like all. Everyone understanding my statement? Okay. Experienced Java developer needs minimum things, Java related. Core Java, Advanced Java, Spring Boot, MicroServices. Clarity is very important. Hibernate, web services, design patterns. Okay. Oracle knowledge, HTML, CSS, Java. Okay. And a few Java real-time tools. Java real-time tools and Excel. This is experienced, boss. Yeah. Web service is part of our course, guys. There is a topic called Spring Boot REST. There is a topic called Spring Boot REST. Using that, we are going to work with web services. We are going to deal with experience. Now listen, guys. Java full stack developer. Okay. Always experienced person. Why, sir? Hey, can you start going to school the moment you take birth? Can you start eating food the moment you take birth? Can you start playing cricket the moment you take birth? Please respond. Please respond. No. Full stack developer means he is the person who can deal with 6 domains. Full stack Java developer means the developer who is expertised in 6 domains. So, full stack developer fresher, very, 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 very rare, boss. No one believes also. If you say I'm a full stack Java developer, I'm fresher. Full stack Java developer means experienced only. Because you should be master in 6 domains. You should be master in 6 domains, boss. It's not that much easy. It's not that much easy. Okay. So that's what is your conclusion? As a fresher, you try as a Java developer. As a fresher, you try as a Java developer. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Fresher Java developer needs. Fresher Java developer needs. Okay. I will add a few concepts. That's it. You try as a Java developer, join in the company, keep the target of 2 to 3 years or 1 to 2 years up to based on your learning capacity and try to become Java full stack developer. Then you never feel stressed. Then you never feel stressed, boss. No, sir. Lot of institutes in the market offering full stack developer for fresher. They are offering, boss, because need is there, demand is there. Okay, as a full stack developer, need is there. But that need is not there as a fresher, boss. Need is always there for experienced persons. So that's why you try as a Java developer, get into industry, work in the industry 1 to 2 years. In this 1 to 2 years, keep the target of what? Becoming full stack Java developer. Becoming full stack Java developer. Are you getting my point there, guys? You must be expertised in 6 domains of the project development and deployment. Deployment means installation. Number 1, Java domain. In Java domain, what you should learn, guys? What you should learn in Java domain? You should learn all these things in Java domain. You should learn all these things in Java domain. But see, guys, learning never ends, boss. That's I always keep etc. You always should use the word called etc. Database, boss. Database. Oracle or MySQL or MongoDB. These are the databases you have to. And etc. Both SQL and PL SQL programming, both you have to learn. Testing, boss. You must learn manual testing, then Selenium. Selenium is for what? Automated testing, boss. Automated testing, right, guys? Next, number 4, UI technologies. UI technologies, right, boss? UI technology. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, all these are UI technologies. Okay, Angular, React.js, and etc. You try to learn. Number 5, DevOps was. Here tools. Maven, Gradle, JUnit. What is there? JUnit, Mockito, SLF4J, Log4j, SLF4j, Log4j, Jenkins, Docker, Ansible, Kubernetes, Git, SonarQube, Jacaco, and etc. Number 6, guys, cloud domain. Yeah, what do you mean by cloud, guys? What do you mean by cloud? Nothing is there. Taking hardware, software, and network infrastructure on rental basis. Taking hardware, software, and the networking infrastructure on the rental basis, guys. Taking the hardware, software, and the networking infrastructure on the rental basis. Simply on the rental basis. Right, boss? Got it? Earlier, what happened, you know? We used to purchase software, we used to purchase hardware, we used to purchase network, we used to establish in our companies to develop the projects, guys, to test the project, to deploy the projects. But now, cloud, AWS, Google Cloud, these people are providing everything in the internet environment. We log in, we use their hardware, their software, their networking infrastructure. We develop the projects, we test the project, we release the projects. It's something like taking the home on rental basis, using it for some time. Once work is done, releasing it back. We release the project back or not. We release the project back or not. AWS, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, and etc. Microsoft Azure and etc. Guys. Conclusion. As a fresher, get into industry as the Java developer and try to become full stack developer in the span of 2 to 3 years. I hope this makes you less stressed person, boss. This makes you less stressed person. Otherwise, you'll feel stressed as a fresher. What do you say, guys? Follow this formula. Follow this formula. You never feel stressed. Understood, my dear? Got it? Super. Okay. Sir, what is the advantage of becoming full stack developer? More responsibility you are taking, more domain works means more salary will be there, guys. Always 60 to 70% difference will be there between Java developer salary and Java full stack developer salary. Java developer salary 5 lakhs. full stack developer salary 8 to 9 lakhs. Java developer salary 10 lakhs. Full stack developer salary 16 to 17 lakhs. So definitely, more you learn, more you get. The more you learn, more you get. Okay. Super, guys. Now you can take, I will take your queries. Don't repeat your query one by one. You type your query. And I will take the name and I will reply. I will take the name and I will reply. My name is Tushar Agarwal. I'm a BCA graduate, couple of front-end and back-end courses, did couple of internship, more than 700 jobs, got no response. I'm really worried about placement. Can you tell me all this? Tushar, what is the domain, in which domain you tried? That matters. Because which domain you tried, what front-end, what back-end you learned. Okay, based on that, I can say where you are lagging behind. But in Java domain, jobs are like awesome, boss. Fresher. How many days to finish the Spring Boot? Okay. How many days to finish the Spring Boot? Yeah, Sai, answer is yes for your query. Everything of microservice will be covered. Okay. What we learned about Spring Boot, Spring IOC. One minute. One by one, I will take the queries. I already completed Spring Basics in your class only. Is there any batch? You are starting remaining topics. Not there, boss. You have to wait till count. That's coming. Yes, we are going to learn microservice design patterns, transaction management, everything, boss. Don't worry. 5:30 p.m. slot. Right now, batch is going on. It takes another 2-3 months easily. How many days to finish Spring Boot? Spring Boot means Spring Boot and Spring Boot related modules. So there we spend nearly 50 sessions on that, boss. Okay. Shivam Kalaskar. I'm a working professional. I have 1 years of experience. Also, my first project was Java support project. Later, mostly on the bench. My primary skills was Java, but now they have allotted JS project, US project. I don't want to continue. I want to continue in Java development. That's why you are joining in those. Can you guide me in this? No problem. You have taken a good decision. Good decision. Okay. After completing this course, you will get better package, better hike. Okay. By scoring these skills, guys. What we have learned about Spring Boot, Spring IOC, Spring JDBC, Spring ORM, Spring David, Spring MVC and MVC. Atul Sonal K, all these things we are going to learn in Spring Boot environment. See guys, these modules can program in Spring Way, Spring Boot way. But Spring Way is not popular nowadays. Spring Boot way is popular. That's why we are learning all these modules in Spring Boot way. New batch in 5:30 p.m. slot will be started after 2-3 months. I'm June 21 passed out. I have 2.5 years of gas. What to do? Chandan Gupta, learn this course. Try to show that 2 years gap as experience. Okay, guys. Kiran M. Hey, sir, I'm Kiran here. I have 3 PFs. Why I worked in 3 different companies. That too 1 month. Without knowledge of PF. Now PFs are considered as strict factor in BGV verification after COVID. After attending this course, can I go with 2 years fake experience? I'm fear being caught because of PF related issue. Can I go with contract job suggestion from you? You truly worth of me. Kiran, it's a matter of 1 month now. You can say, by mistake it happened. I have done moonlighting. So definitely people understands your, what is that? Innocence. Innocence. It's not big. You have not done that work for years together, right? It happened for 1 month only, right? Can I know, apart from POCs, will you get any real-time projects? Akila, all our mini projects are real-time projects. Can I message you directly on any platform? Gaurav Singh, I have submitted my email ID. My email ID is there. You can use that email ID to communicate with me daily. Or you can send me messages in Facebook Messenger. I'm in still BTech third year. How will be useful for you? This, Dasi, by the time you complete engineering, if you are ready with all this subject, you will get better package and you will be hot cake in the market. You will be called as hot cake in the market. People are dying for eligible freshers. Can I know? Okay. Can I learn only Spring? What can I do, sir? See, only Spring will work only for fresher, boss. That too in some companies. So without now Spring Boot is hot cake, guys. We are learning Spring as a prerequisite to learn Spring Boot. I have 59% in 12th. I give nice on-demand exam of 3 subjects for marks improvement. I got more than 80 marks in 3 subjects. Now can I able to sit in placement for criteria of 60%. Karthik Kopare, please clear Naresh IT screening test. Though you are having profile problem, criteria issues, okay, Naresh IT will try to push you. Okay, if you clear the screening test, concentrate on that. From where we can get experience, many frauds are happening. Muthu Kumar, mail me personally. I will give some links. Dikshita, yes. Hello, sir. I am nowhere related to computer science background. Is DSA important to become Java developer? Not required. You learn data structures and algorithm only if you are targeting 4 or 5 big companies like Oracle, Amazon, Disha, okay, Google, this kind of companies. For remaining companies, data structure algorithm is not required. SSV. Sir, I am SSV. I have worked as .NET web developer using C#. I don't know Java. This course is best for me or not. SSV, you cannot directly join in this course. Please complete core Java, then come for this. Mr. Sahu, mail me. I will give the links for showing gap as experience. Nageswar Rao Achari. Currently, I am doing core Java, about to complete, and PL SQL HTML. I learned this course without advanced Java now. You can start this course, but parallelly try to learn advanced Java. You can start this course, parallelly try to learn advanced Java. When second slot batch will start, after 30 days of first slot. Sai Krishna KK. I am 2014 passed out BTech, mechanical engineering with 9 years of experience relevant industry. I learned core Java, advanced Java, including JSP. Even I made one bank project using MVC. Super, boss. Will I get job after finishing this course? Yes. Sri Krishna KK, you will get the job, but what you have to do is, you try to show 4 or 5 years of IT industry experience and remaining gap as irrelevant experience. I think 2014 to 2023, total 9 years gap you are having. 5 years you show in IT industry, 4 years you show in your course industry. And sir, will you start the batch of advanced Java? Yes, I will start batch of advanced Java. Put request in the admin and talk to management people. I'm mechanical engineering, pursuing core Java, pursuing I am completed. If you know complete core Java, you can join in this course. Currently, I have completed Kishan Sir core Java batch. Can I continue with advanced Java? Listen, you can attend advanced Java and this course parallel. Atul, can you, sir, Oracle is not part of our course. It's a separate course to learn. Good evening. I'm still in BTech third year. How this will be useful for me? By the time you complete engineering, you will be ready for industry. You will become hot cake in the industry. How much salary can we expect for 3 years of experience? Java developer with this course knowledge, 10 lakhs plus. As a full stack developer means 17, 18 lakhs, guys. Sai Gopal Talluri. I have passed out in 2019 BSc. Don't repeat your questions. I will come to every question, boss. Can you tell me how much experience you will be applied? Give suggestion. 23 to 19, 4 years. You can show 3 to 4 years gap as experience, boss. Hello, sir. My name is Ishu. I completed my MCA last year and currently working in IT support in the Delhi government. I aspire to transition my career to become Java developer. I have studied core Java with Harikrishna sir. I also knowledge advanced Java, create some projects advanced Java. Okay. You learn this course, you will get more and more jobs in the industry with better package. Gaurav Singh, I'm in Instagram, I'm in LinkedIn also, but I'm not that much active in social media, boss. Only for notes sharing, I'm using Facebook group. I'm in third year, it's early to learn this course. You can start learning, boss. Okay, if by that time you complete engineering, if you are ready with this knowledge, you will be hotcake in the market. When are you starting advanced Java batch? In 10 days, we are planning to start. Guess I will tell. G. Tarun Kumar. My new advanced Java batch will start very soon. Hello, sir. I am 10 plus experience. Had a background of Java Spring, other related technology up to 5 years. Then worked on application support project for 5 more years. Want to move back to developer? Do you suggest to continue this course? Experience spent 100 plus course, a bit long time for me. Raghunanda, since away from development, in 5 years, so many changes are happened. So you attend this course. After 50 sessions, you start attending interviews. After 50 sessions, you start attending interviews. Kritik Barbia. Nowadays, there is no much value for OCJP exam, boss. Mr. Sahu, mail me, I will give the details. Yeah, I'm planning to start Java real-time project batch very soon, guys. How much salary can I expect for 3 years experience? 10 plus lakhs. Will it be accepted for my PF moonlighting kind of thing? Because I did for 3 companies. Since it happened for 1 month, okay, you say it's happened out of innocence because you cannot hide it forever. You cannot hide it forever. So it happened out of innocence. They'll appreciate your sincerity and they will give opportunity. Where can I get fake document provider? Sai, mail me, I will provide the details. How much salary we can expect? Please don't repeat the questions. Hi, sir, I'm working MNC last 4 years. Automation testing. My total experience is 5.1 profile Java. Rohit Kumar, you are already there in testing. Now, if you learn this course or Java kind of thing, you can aim for full stack developer. Santu Patnaik. Kindly let me my name out. Your blessings now. I have removed my fake experience. Now with original 3 experience, got 15 lakh package. The same company switching to a US customer. Now I'm willing to switch company, get a fair package. Yes, boss. You can now you remove your fake experience. Now you can get a fair package. Not a problem. Kamalakar. Mechanical engineering, worked for MNCs, no work. I was on the bench. Can you please guide me? Learn this course. The moment you keep Spring Boot and microservices, your calls will increase. Advanced Java batch starts very soon within 10 days. I'm confused. Which database, Oracle or MySQL? Oracle is good, guys. For Java projects, Oracle is always good. Without ADS, in the resume, recruiter are not considering the job. So apart from this course, what you suggest whether to take ABS or not? Rishi Kumar, if your target is ultimately to becoming full stack developer, try to learn DevOps also. DevOps and AWS also. Spring Framework is available in this course. Yes, this course starts with Spring Basics, boss. Do we get any internship after this course? There are so many websites offering internship. Show this profile, definitely they will offer you one thing. Right. Java certification exam. Please don't repeat your questions. Yeah. Sashi, product of Harikrishna sir, NIT, completed Mechan 215. Engineering, textile, mill, PF account also, no problem. Sashi, as I said, try to show last 4 years in IT industry, remaining everything in core job, your original job. Sir, PF account is there. There you say, milling has started IT industry, IT division. There I work. There I work. How many days to complete the Spring, guys? 20-25 sessions. Spring basics and the Spring core module. Okay, in this course we learn design patterns, Hibernate. Okay. I'm from mechanical engineering, worked in MNC 2 years. No work, I was on the bench. Please suggest me. Learn this course, improve your profile, and try for the job switch. Job switch. Tushar Agarwal. I am also fresher. Good knowledge in core Java, basics of Spring Boot, created projects, Spring Boot, backend developer. I need guidance for resume making guidance. Job placement, applied many job, no response. Tushar, don't worry. In this course, we are also going to cover resume preparation and interview tips. How can we attend your both sessions parallelly? Okay, topic wise or this one? Yeah, Deepak Sharma. After 1 month, I will give the plan. If you attend both topics parallelly, you can complete bit fastly. Currently, what is your thought about BCB after COVID? It has become a bit strict, guys, but see, if knowledge is there, BCB does not matter. Knowledge is there and you have become key resource in the project development. Though your BCB failed, they will continue in the job. So believe in the subject. Believe in the subject. Can we learn about Spring IOC, ORM, JW, AOP? Atul? Okay. We learn all these things in Spring Boot style. Yes, we will learn. Your answer is you will learn them. What will be the timing of this class? I stay hostel. My mess closes after 9 p.m. Okay, this session continue every day till 8:45 only. 8:45, 9. First day, na, I'm taking your queries. It is delayed, guys. It is delayed, guys. Shivani birthday. Shivani birthday. Shivam. Okay. Generally, Naresh IT is taking care of placement for freshers, guys. But if any experienced profiles are required, they will suggest you can apply. I only personally suggest so many companies. Don't worry. Okay, guys. Abhishek, in full stack Java course, only Spring course will be covered. Here we learn Spring, Spring Boot, and microservice. It's a bigger course than your full stack Spring. Advanced Java is a different course. Spring is a different course. When 7 a.m. batch starts, it takes 2-3 months time minimum. It takes 2-3 months time. Okay, guys. Chandrabhan Gupta, Mechanical 2021. See, those who don't have queries, they can leave the meeting. Experience. Last 3 months, I learned UI stack. Can I join as a fresher? What to do? So if you are having opportunity in UI as a fresher, go. But if you are trying to become full stack developer, learn this course. Komal Shinde, I have 2 years experience in AngularJS and Ionic framework, 5 years experience in Grails Vue framework with good DB knowledge. Will this course? This course helps you to become Java full stack developer. Apart from that, right, guys. I paid for full stack. This full stack developer only Spring Boot. I have to pay extra money. Ganesh, in your full stack only Spring knowledge is there. Spring Boot and microservice is not there. That's why you have to pay 5,500 as an extra fee. I completing core Java now. Which batch I have to attend? You can take advanced Java and this course parallel. Sandeep Kumar. Okay. See, this batch will wind up by 8:45 to 9 p.m. Right? Today, initial day, I am taking queries. That's why it got delayed. If you don't have queries, you can leave now. If you don't have queries, you can leave now. Those are having queries, they only please stay back. Gaurav Singh, 2021 computer science batch. I want to do Java as developer. Startup company 4 months, but lacked in skills. I have to leave my job. I'm not getting any response from any company. Gaurav Singh, you only said lack of skills. Improve the skills. Companies will run after you. First, improve the skills. Can I show 1 year mechanical experience in IT field? Chandraban Gupta, if you want to show job as IT job, try to show your gap as IT experience. So if you show non-IT experience, they don't consider. In real time, there are a lot of packages, lots of code. When requirement is given, how to tackle that problem and how to write the code. Kiran, though a lot of packages are there, listen carefully. You are responsible for your task code. Okay? So don't worry, when you are developing mini projects, you will get that experience. 120 sessions to 140 sessions I will take in this course. From where you will get experience certificate. You mail me, I will give some references. Okay. Yeah, I will share the notes, guys. Don't worry. I'm sharing the notes now. This is my Facebook group, guys. You can see my image. You can see my image. In the Facebook group, you can see my image, right? So this is my Facebook group, guys. Okay. So there is an upload file option. Your batch code is 617. Introduction, course introduction. Okay. Screen test will be on the course what you attended. Core Java, Advanced Java, Spring Boot, and microservices. Right. Okay. Don't download any other thing, boss. Download only your course. Say refresh. Say refresh. 617. Na? Opposite 3 dots are there. Down. Okay. Go to the download section. Here is my open with paint. Here is my open with paint, guys. Are you able to see this, guys? I just shared in the Facebook. You can collect from the Facebook. Okay. Gaurav Singh, first gain the knowledge, think about resume. First gain skill. You said I am lacking in skills. First improve the skills. Right. Yeah, it's a private group, guys. It's a private group. I'll accept your request. I'll accept your request after the class. Okay, let me accept your request. Yeah, 150 plus people have requested me, guys. Now I'm approving them. Debadish Das, 120 to 140 sessions, nearly 4 to 5 months. Sandeep Kumar, you can retrieve the notes for lifetime. Thank you, guys. If I miss anyone's query, please mail me. I'm sharing my personal details here. My mail ID and admin contact number, every detail. I'm Bunty Sharma. I have done diploma in computer engineering 2020. After worker mechanical. Then I have completed BTech 2021. How much experience? You can guide me. Mr. Bunty Sharma, you cannot try as a fresher because a lot of gaps are there in academics. You can show only gap as experience. That too, after engineering, whatever gap is there, that gap only you can show. So that means you can show 2 years gap as experience. Don't try as a fresher. Right. Kiran M, if you have a plan of showing gap as experience, okay, before 6 months only, contact the consultancy, ask them to run salary account. Ask them to run the salary account. How, sir? You give the money every month, he will deposit into your account, you withdraw and use it back. Next month, again give the amount to company who is running your fake profile. They will deposit into your account, you withdraw and use it again. Got it? So if you want to show gap as experience before 6 months only, you should start running your salary account and PF account, so that chances of getting caught is very, very less. Right? Okay. You mail me, I have completed BSc IT from distance. Will I get the job? Abhishek Sur, as a fresher, bit difficult, but when you show gap as experience, all these things does not matter. Any graduation is okay for them. Any graduation is okay for them. Right. Rajni DR, I want student to attend live classes and I would like to conduct interactive sessions. Okay, where you are looking for recordings, contact the admin, but officially we don't sell the recordings. Thank you, boss. Vijay DJ, I did not get your query. Can you post the query? Can you repost the query? Chandraman Gupta, let me wind up the class. Then I can see the mail and I can reply you, right? I completed MCA in 2003. Madam, 2003 means too long, but you can do one thing. Okay, 4 to 5 years experience you can show in IT. Remaining entire experience as non-IT experience. Non-IT experience. You'll be having 4 to 5 demo sessions, boss. 4 to 5 demo sessions. Right. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day. Pooja madam, Advanced Java and Spring Boot microservices, you can do parallelly. It's possible. Advanced Java data